From ECQ, we went further north where we stopped by Mix and Match Bakehouse to buy Filipino bread. Town center nila or parang mga shops nila dito. Dito na yung may mga Filipino foods. Filipino bakery. Hanap na tayo ng parking. We're in Fruit Hill. Yes, is gonna buy some pandesal or mga tinapay. Mothers!
Hi! I'm with Ray!
Ano mama?
Mango float.
Pero okay na sa ensaymada. Ano masabi mo sa mga presyo, no?
Ay, mahal yung showman na isa for time. 10, 390.
Sa napay dun ma, yung ensaymada pati pandesal. Kasi milky eh.
Marami din sa
Generous.
atin milky. No?
I really like their bicho-bicho and pandesal. It's milkier which makes them delicious. It might be more expensive versus what's in the Philippines, but it's definitely worth a try.